Hey, this is Tanisha, and this is Abstract Challenge number 34 of 100. And today we are trying extra heavy gel matte medium to make a thick painting, thick paint. And if you're new to this challenge, I give myself 15 minutes to try something different. Basically, I'm trying different methods just to keep me open to exploring different ideas, things that I can use in my actual paintings down the line. And I think it's just fun to play. I think we should all play. We should all have fun. It doesn't always have to be all serious. And that's what this is for me. It's fun. Now, I will say, I discover things that I love and I discover things that I don't like. And that's a good thing because I think exploring ourselves through trying these different abstract challenges is helping us to learn more about ourselves, what we like, what we don't like, and that's going to bring us closer to making an art that really speaks to us, that just comes from our heart. So I am trying thick paint, and I decided to use this tool here. I always forget what it's called, but little knife, palette knife or something like that. And I have to say, this isn't coming out exactly the way I thought it would, but that's the goal of playing, just trying it out. Of course, I can always try this again and see what happens. I was trying to make some thick ripples, but it didn't quite work out like that. So I know I got some more practicing to do. I like the thicker paint, but I know I'm going to have to practice with it more to figure out how I would use it in any future paintings, because 15 minutes isn't enough time, but it was enough time for me to get an idea how this works. I did try to mix some different variations of this color just to add some interest to it. But again, the goal isn't to finish this painting. It's just to have fun, explore heavy gel medium, and just see if I like it, if I want to work with it more in the future. So I'm just playing around and realizing my idea just isn't working out. But I have to say, in the end, I did like the texture and how it looks. Once I scanned this in, it looked really nice and wavy, and so I thought that was nice. It did take some time to dry, so you will have to let this dry. If you try this, you'll have to let this dry at least overnight. It really depends on how thick of paint that you've used. But I definitely want to explore this challenge again. I think I'll do it on this channel because I've seen other ways to use paint, and I want to explore those other ways to see if it's something I'd like to use in the future. So I'm wondering, have you tried thick paint before? What do you think about using heavy gel matte medium to make a thicker paint? How do you use it? I'd love to hear just your ideas, your thoughts in the comments. It's nice to really share with each other our techniques so that we can all try it. And that just brings me to another topic I hope to discuss on this channel, is that, we are all unique. We shouldn't feel fear to share different techniques with each other because we're different. We're going to use them differently. There's probably only very few people who are actually going to try to copy or steal something. Now, I understand if it's a very unique technique, then you don't want to share it. It's understandable. But I feel like let's share and let's really learn together. So anyways, I really hope you enjoy this video, and I'll give you a quick peek at how this looked once it was dry. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment, and I will comment, and I'll be talking to you soon.